Good evening, students. Now we have subtraction, algebraic expression, subtraction in algebraic expression. So first we need to understand the sign conversion, because for subtraction we need to do the sign conversion. For sign conversion, I am writing the signs here and operations to be performed. Operations to be performed and sign of result. Okay, now if here sign of terms. So if we have positive and positive sign, if you have negative and negative sign, if you have negative positive negative or negative positive, both are same. So if we have the terms having same sign as positive, same signs as positive, so we need to do addition, means we need to perform the addition and the result sign will be positive. Means if you add two terms, like if 7x and 19x is given, both the terms are positive, means having positive sign, so we need to add these two terms. So 7x plus 2, 9x, that is 26x. And what is the sign of resultant? That is positive, so it is positive. Okay. Now, if we have both negative and then we need to add, if we have both negative then we need to add, then what we have to do? Minus 7x, positive, negative, minus 19x. So first we need to this conversion, so plus minus, plus minus should be minus 7x minus 19x. Now both the signs are same but negative, so we need to add the terms. If the signs are same, then we need to add, that is 26, and resultant sign will be negative. So here negative sign and operation should be performed, that is addition. Okay. Now next thing, if the signs are different, then we need to perform either positive negative or negative positive. Then we need to perform subtraction, and sign will be the resultant of sign of result will be the greater value. Means if positive value having the greater value, then sign will be positive. If negative value having the greater value, then sign will be negative of the result. So what we have learned here, that if both the signs are same, either positive or negative, then we have to perform addition, and sign should be same as what given in terms. Like if positive is given, the result will be positive. If negative is given, then negative. If the signs are different, either negative positive or positive negative, then we need to perform the subtraction. If the signs are different, then we need to perform subtraction, and sign of the result will be depend on which value is greater. Either positive value is greater, then sign will be positive. Either negative value is greater, then sign will be negative. Okay. Now we will go to the subtraction one. How we will perform subtraction? Generally we will use column method for the subtraction, because it is easy and not need to worry about. Okay, let me take the example of your book. Suppose we have taken the example. In general phenomena, like I have taken question number first of 8C. So 5A plus 7B minus 2C from 3A minus 7B plus 4C is there. Okay. So what we need to do, what we need to do here, first we need to understand how we will subtract. Here we need to subtract this value from this, so this value will be written first, after that this value will be, okay. So we need to write, I am telling you this question with the both the method. First I am telling you with the horizontal method, and afterwards I will tell you with the column method. So first we need to write this particular value because we need to subtract this from this, okay. So now 3a minus 7b plus 4c. If negation is there, then always put the second value in brackets, because we need to do the sign conversion here. What we need to do? We need to do the sign conversion here. Now 3a minus plus 4c. Positive negative become negative. If before the bracket negative sign is there, then all the sign in between the brackets are changed. Means if positive sign is there, then you will write negative. If negative sign is there, then you will write positive sign. Okay, 5a minus 7b and minus minus plus 2c. Now we need to collect the like terms. So 3a and 5 minus 5a are like terms. 3a minus 5a are like terms. Then minus 7b and plus minus 7b. Minus 7b are like terms. Then plus 4c and plus 2c are like terms. Okay, these two are like terms. Now we need to subtract. So 3 is positive and 5 is negative. Both the signs are different. We need to perform subtraction here. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. And the value 5 is greater, so we will represent negative sign here. Okay. Now both the signs are same. Means negative is there. So we need to add the things. 14b and sign of negation will be there because both the signs are negative. So we will represent negative sign as it is. Both the signs are positive. So 4 plus 2, that is 6c. That is our answer in horizontal method. So simply just first remove the bracket by changing the signs of each term in the brackets. Okay, after that collect the like terms and then after perform subtraction. Now next method is column method. Column method. So first we need to write this value again, 3a minus 7b plus 4c. Then we need to subtract. So 5a plus 7b minus 2c. Now we need to put the sign conversion here. So positive negative, that becomes negative, positive negative, negative, and negative negative, positive. So we will consider these signs for these our values. We will not consider the sign before them. We will consider the new signs here what we have get after sign conversion. Okay, so now 3 minus 5 means 3 minus 5, both the signs are different. We need to perform subtraction. So 2 is there, 2a and 5 is greater, so minus 2a. Minus 7 and minus 7, that is minus 14b. Plus 2 and plus 4, that is 6c. So that's it. This is easy method and very less time taken. Okay, so that's why we are always applying column method. If you want to apply horizontal method, then no need to worry about that. All the methods are correct. Whatever you want to apply, whatever suits you, then you will apply that particular method. Okay, now let me take one more question. So this particular phenomena will clear in your mind, then how we will go through the subtractions. Now next question is question number 7 in your book. Minus 2a plus b plus 6d from 5a minus 2b minus 3. This is a different type of question. Some of the students will mistaken it. Okay. Now we need to subtract this value from this. Okay. Now what we are going to do in column method, we will write the first value, second value first, minus 3c. After that we need to subtract here, so we will put subtract sign. Then like terms, below the like terms, minus b. C term is not there, C term is not there, so we will put it blank. Then we will write the 6d term here outside of this term, okay, separately. Now we will put the sign conversion, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, then positive, negative, negative, okay. Now we will perform 5 plus 2, because sign of 2 will have been changed, okay. Now 5 plus 2, that is 7a, minus 2 plus b, that is minus b, because minus plus become minus, so 2 minus 1, that is 1, and we will not represent 1 as, so we will write b as simply 3c, no change, minus 6d, no change. So this is our answer for this particular question. So that's it for the subtraction here. So we will do the questions like that. Always, if from is there, if you need to subtract something from something, so you need to always take the second term first, then you need to subtract the second term, first term, okay. You need to subtract the first term from the second, not like that subtract this from this, okay. You need to subtract this term from this, not this from this, okay, clear. So that's it for the subtraction then, and we have done with this particular chapter. So now one more class I will take for 2 or 3 question, different type of question in this particular chapter. So we'll continue in next lecture. Thank you. That's it for this particular lecture.